Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, it was an interesting day. After yesterday's big down day in the S&Ps, the NASDAQ, you really didn't have much follow through. The S&Ps could not make a new low. They got down to 82 3/4, where 81 3/4 was yesterday's low. You had an inside range there. And in the NASDAQ, you did eke out a new low, and then you had a decent close above yesterday's close. I don't know. People probably argue if this is a trend or not, but you did have, possible reversal in the NASDAQ. You'd be looking for a higher high tomorrow than today's high, and same with the S&P, that inside range. So you'd be looking for a higher high trade above today's high, which we had 97 3/4 as today's pivot. That was today's high. So the pivots do tend to work pretty well, and tomorrow's pivot's 1491, so we'll keep an eye on that. We did see a nice sell-off from the late midday squeeze. Basically, after cash close, the market fell right back down, trading around 92.50 at the end of the session. But keep an eye on 91 to kind of give you an indication tomorrow. If we start to get below 91, and I like that 90 area also off a weekly low. If we start to get below there, I think you're going to see some more downside pressure. You would have thought that after yesterday's big day that we would have saw some follow through today, and we did not. Very small ranges, so we'll see if we can get any follow through tomorrow, and if not, we're probably going to trade back up towards 1502 area, so we'll see what we get. Same with treasuries, nice big trade up yesterday, and then you get the actually the spike top today is bothering me, but you did not get reversals, meaning we didn't close below yesterday's close. You did test support today, like in the 10-year, it got down to 15.5. I had support at 16. 22 is going to come into play. We still have these bullish falling wedges in the longer end of the curve. The bonds and the ultra bond, if you look at that, they're still in play. Keep an eye on today's closes, and we'll see if we can hold in and then see another leg up tomorrow. I'd like to see some kind of trade up tomorrow. If you start to take out today's lows, sorry I said closes earlier, but if you start to take out today's lows, then you're going to be suspect on these treasuries. But we'll be watching. There's a lot of stuff going on around the world, so it's moving these markets around. We've seen some good sized bids come in volatility wise in most markets now. Yen had a reversal day yesterday, and it took out 7 days prior ranges, and then you had an inside range today. 2 reversal patterns, bullish patterns. Look for higher highs in the yen tomorrow. Also, the euro tested very good support off of some old highs. This 130.20 low is a good low for now, and you're supposed to be a little bit long the euro currency, and if you started to take out 130.20, you got 05 down below, and below 05, look out, they're going to go after the euro currency again. So a lot to look at. We'll see how we go. Weather's kind of frightening here in Chicago, so who knows what tomorrow's going to bring. Have a nice evening. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.